Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Fire HD tablet without the password. So if you're connected to the Wi-Fi and you type in the password wrong, I think 5 times, it's going to bring up this screen where it says incorrect password. So you can do two different things. You can reset the password right here. So you can just type in your Amazon password correctly and then go to continue, and you should be able to reset it, but I believe you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, so you can just scroll on down and just connect to the Wi-Fi right there, but it seems like you have to type in your password if you want to go ahead and do that. So what you could do also, if you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, is factory reset it. So if you just type this in wrong 5 more times, it should bring you to the screen where you can tap here to perform a factory reset. And this will completely delete everything off your tablet, and then you're going to have to sign back in with your Amazon account. Now another thing that you could do is perform a factory reset a different way by holding down the power button. Go to power off right here, and it'll shut off your tablet. Now the volume button that's closest to the power button, hold that down at the same time as the power button, and this will put into the recovery screen. So it's going to go into that screen now. You can let go. Then you can use the volume buttons to navigate. So let's go to wipe data, factory reset, press the power button. And you can wipe the data right here. And this will perform a hard reset and delete everything off your tablet. And then you can just sign back in normally with your password as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.